Hi everybody! In this practice, we are going to learn how to format the table colors, find the total sum, the maximum and the minimum value in each column. So first we are going to select the table like that, and then from the three dots I can click on Format as Table and choose one of the options that I have over here. After I do that, make sure to tick My Table has a header, because if you notice there's a header already there. Now that I have it formatted, I can manipulate the text and keep it in the center, for example. Always make sure to select first, and then from here, the alignment will be in the center. Now, I want to make the total in a different color, so I will choose a random color from here, and if I want, I can put lines around the total. The same thing applies for maximum, for example. I'm going to choose a different color and I'm going to apply outlines. And for minimum, I'm going to do the same and outlines. Now that I have it ready, I want to start by adding the sum, the maximum and the minimum. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the cell right here, and from the sigma, this is what we call sigma, I can select from here sum. You also have maximum and minimum. Sum is right here, and now from here I'm going to drag it like that. I'm going to undo. If it's hard on you to do it, you can just select every cell and click sum for each of those cells. Now I'm going to do the maximum, so I'm going to click right here and choose max. For the next one, we're going to use minimum as well. So max for this one. And now minimum for here. Now that I finished adding those tables, I think I finished all the bullets that are right here in this assignment. If I want to be more creative, I can select the table like that, and I can choose Insert and start by adding graphs if I want. Try to select with the total only. And here we go. The chart title, you can change it by clicking right here on chart title and you can edit it. Let's call it this time favorite sports. Here's another example. Also, you can change the title of the chart. And here we go.